Hey guys, today we will learn how to enable remote desktop on your system. So for this to work we have to do some steps. First we have to check the network setting and its sharing. So for this to we get to network sharing and center. So here we have to get to advanced settings. So now here we have to check for the remote desktop. So here we have to allow the remote desktop all the related remote access as to in public and private. Then we have to get to our computer settings and search for the we have to get to our now here we search for the remote desktop and here as we have enabled it and also we can show the settings. Make my PC discoverable because this information is not required. However, if you want to, you can make it, and the port is 3389. Now this is the setting has been enabled. So for this to work we have built in remote desktop app from Microsoft, and also we can have Microsoft application, other application which can be installed. Let me open it for you. Microsoft remote desktop. So this is the app. We can download it from the store. So how this works, suppose this is the remote desktop and I have given the computer name with its corresponding information, the username and its password. Now it's accessing the other system with the required information, and now I have logged into the other system as remote desktop. So this is the Windows built-in application. Now the other application is the Microsoft application which can also be installed. So it's a bit good this application rather than this built-in one because it's give you the precise users information and its tab information rather opening the single window again and again. You have to give the information of every user on your this account, and it will be added in the future. If you want to access, you just have to enter the exact user you want to access. So with these settings I hope you have learned how to access the desktop remote desktop of Windows 10. Now I'm going to check some other settings also if any exist. So if we get to this PC and right click on it, now I'm going to get to the system and get to the advanced system settings. Here I get to the remote, and here I have allow remote connection to this computer. So you have to check this and this both the, and also you can check these settings. You can check that user list can connect, other than that cannot connect, or you can leave it as it is. So these are the some settings which you have to do before you are going to apply the remote desktop settings. And also I'm going to do the network sharing settings. So here the network sharing opened. You should have to turn on discovery of file and printer and network, and also turn on with anyone in the network, disable the 128 encryption, disable the password protection, and also check this private one and this guest and this all networks. So all these settings should be done before proceeding to your remote desktop sharing, otherwise it won't work. So I hope you have learned how to check your desktop or remote desktop and enable it and do the relevant settings. Suppose I want to add a PC over here, so I can type its IP address, and now I want to access it, so I have to give its name and its password and username. So I'm going to connect. Now as we can see, we have connected to this system using the other application. So I hope you have learned how to enable remote desktop. So this video is a bit lengthy, so I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.